And they get a corner. So Barbados looking to end the half the stronger. And they'll eat away a few more seconds, precious seconds, with this corner. They've committed 3 players. And let's see what they'll make of this one. Ball swung in dangerously, and in the back of the net, Barbados are in the lead. It looks as if it's Riviere Williams with the goal. We'll confirm that for you. But it was a glancing header, a nice corner. The ball swung in dangerously, and it does appear as if Riviere Williams was the man who got a header on that one. Clyde, look at this.
Poor defending by Jamaica. Good, accurate dead ball kick. Swerving in, searching. One man, number 9, inside the 6-yard box. 2 defenders in front. Goalkeeper stuck on his line. 3 yards behind. Careless defending. Barbados made them pay.
Riviere Williams has given Barbados the lead almost on the stroke of half-time.